ferrying crude oil from Saudi Arabia or the Arab world towards our refinery at Limay, Bataan. On or about 3 kilometers from here. I guess Eddie will soon be leaving this world, and it's only sad heart to note that the cooperation of these people in this part of the country, we will be making a lot. I hope we will make good to where we will be going. We will be he will be sailing by me to
Ay, pero yung gagante ang lumabas sa kidlat ay imposible. Ngunit pag-iba ng bagay pagsinig tayo ay parehong pantay lamang.
To do at least their part in making this occasion.
Kahit na pilay o kahit na baldado, kahit na sa pitong gadang sa tabi ng bumbuyan, may mga kasaysayan na nalalaman. Hindi chismis, napag-usapan lang, tuliyo walang labis, walang kulang. Bakit merong tao na katulad kong musyoso at sa buhay ng kapwa yung sisero? Kung pikon ng iyong ugali at hindi ka pasensyoso, malamang oras-oras pa sa tulong. Basta gumitara ka kakanta ka.
Lakayin ni Tito sa picture in front.
Kung magpumamang delivery yung dilalo ngayon.
Donna!
Member of the bookstore and opening Tito at the forefront. Balls was in this simple location. The one with the guitar is Mr. Samayo.
Naging bahagi ka ng buhay ko, iniibig kita, tunay sa aking krina o sinta. Ikaw ang aking panaginip, ikaw ang tibok ng dilim.